Alright, so I got a quick minute and I am in TABER. Here just to kind of hit one specific trail. I kind of left a little late and didn't leave much time for myself, but that's what happens. Bobcaygeon, I believe is what it is. The sun, you know, I just mentioned in my vlog last time really wanting to be way more conscious of my shadow in videos, and that I completely just didn't even post footage that I didn't, like, in the middle of editing I abandoned it because my shadow was in them too much with the chesty and the direction of the sun and the time that I went. Hopefully that's not an issue today. If you're watching this, I mean, then I guess it wasn't too big of an issue. So got the helmet cam today. Gonna try to get some footage of Bobcaygeon, some other stuff along the way. Let's get it. I still have a bug in my eye from like a half hour ago. But anyway, before I paintball climb, get back to the car, I think I'm splitting this up into 4 videos, and this outro will be the same for all of them. I got rock and rollin', or I think that's what it's called. That'll be one. I'm gonna combine Flood Zone and Bunker Hill into one video on the way there and one video in reverse. And then Bobcaygeon, or whatever. That'll be its own one too, I think. So I'm really happy with the ride I did today, especially with rock and rollin'. Those steep parts are still a little spicy, but I felt really confident. I don't know how to explain it. I still felt nervous going down them, but it was like 50-50 nervous and confidence. It was like a really nice feeling. And Bobcaygeon definitely still had some parts that I was like, but I was able to clean that, except for like there was like a couple dabs getting over a climb, like on the, yeah, so not 100% clean, like 97% clean. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to come out to Tabor more often, do some more trails, do some more videos, and we will see you on another time for another raw ride.